Suitable for most in-ground pool shapes, the Zodiac CX35 Robotic Pool Cleaner is powerful, reliable, convenient and simple to use, delivering optimal coverage to your pool floor, walls and waterline. Capturing large debris such as leaves and gum nuts, the CX35 delivers a deep clean to your pool floor, walls and waterline with its rotating scrubbing brushes, powered by its cyclonic suction technology, delivering optimum and consistent efficiency. Conveniently control your cleaner with the touch of a button. You can select from 2 cleaning cycles, floor only and floor, walls, waterline on the e-box. You can also reduce or increase your selected cleaning cycle by 30 minutes with the timer adjustment function. Adjust the grip intensity during wall cleaning through the surface control system located on the e-box when you're on the floor, walls and waterline cleaning cycle. Never touch debris again with the push and go system, allowing easy and hygienic access to the filter canister. Simply press the push and go button to release the filter canister and easily empty and hose down the debris. You can now know when to empty your filter canister with a full filter indicator located on the e-box. Transporting and storing away your cleaner is simple and convenient. The CX35 comes with an easy-to-assemble, ergonomically designed trolley so you can transport and store away your cleaner, e-box and cable easily. Available in 2 models for tiled and non-tiled pools. The Zodiac CX35 is also backed by a 2-year warranty. The Zodiac CX35. Powerful, reliable and convenient.